Maybe I do it for the rep, or just to make my mama proud of me, or to see enough money to come up out of this poverty. Probably put in the work and rip a lot of beats, cause I know I ain't about to win a lottery. You probably be thinking, nigga, you ain't gotta be sinking in the bottom, ain't where you gotta be. You could get a job, go get in the army, or try to go to college. He should be trying to get a degree in human biology or psychology, but it's all psychotic to me. When I ain't got the funds, I blame it on the economy. And I know in my heart what I gotta be, with this God-given gift inside of me. I feel ya, I ain't trying to be, so I'm using everything I got in me, so I could be what I wanna be. Like we learned when we kids, have inspiration to do it big, with none of the opportunities to do it with. Still I move on, nigga, keep trying. Catch a flat down the road to the riches and keep driving. Keep my eyes on the prize, so take a look at the horizon, cause a star on the rise. Yeah, I had to, that's why I'm trying to be a rapper. Ain't too many choices, I do it cause I have to. That's why I'm trying to be a rapper. I ain't had too many choices, I do it cause I have to.
I have to, cause nothing was promised me. And honestly, as a kid I never thought about what I would decide to be. And it feels like life is two-timing me, showing me a good time, but niggas is conniving. See, do you know how it feels to be on top, stacking all your bread and thinking it won't stop? With no warning, niggas running up in your spot, letting off them shots and hoping your heart stop. And you with no weapon and no kind of protection, thinking time would freeze, asking God for suggestions, thinking he turned his back cause you gotta endure strife, not realizing them niggas should've took your life, till you laid up in that bed and got nowhere to hide from all your frustration and pain you feel inside. All you can do is cry while morphine relieve your fears, cause the hour of your doom was almost here, and the story's just beginning, though I could stop it all here. I have to, nigga, cause second chances is rare. Like I said, nigga, I have to, cause second chances is rare.
God put us on the bottom, but he taught us how to hustle, make something out of nothing when we try and fix our problems. It been on my mind since I was on the bottle, staring at the world through my panoramic goggles, having premonitions about hitting the Apollo, rubbing on a tree that's so hollow, maybe dating a model, becoming a role model, setting the example for people like me to follow. Show them the grind gon' be hard to swallow, but keep working hard and you can hit you a lotto. It get hard sometimes, nigga, I know, but keep working hard and everything else I follow.